Who could it be? Could it be? Could that be Hedwig?
Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Twoloosebricks here with another quick review. Brickheadz set 41615 Lego Harry Potter Hedwig number 50 and Harry Potter number 49. So why didn't they put Harry Potter 49 and then Hedwig as 50 in the instructions? I don't know. But anyway, they got them backwards. But anyway, that's okay. Let's have a quick review of this. It is the standard Brickheadz, and what I really like about these sets are the printed pieces in it. We have the printed tile, the printed Gryffindor symbol, Harry's scar, and of course the useless eyes that come with all the Brickheadz, and the owl, and Hedwig's is actually yellow, so that's kind of cool, and the feathers on his side. Now, one thing I'm going to point out to this one is I pointed out in the Hermione Brickheadz that the head was not finished off in Hermione. They left a lot of studs on the back. Well, there's hardly nothing on the back of this one. It is finished off, pretty much. There's just a couple here on the side, but that's okay. It's pretty much finished off on Harry. And the same with Hedwig, except his top. They could have put some tiles on the top of him, but maybe that's to give some texture. I don't know. But anyway, it kind of looks like feathers, so I guess that's kind of cool. But really, for the price of it, it is kind of scary. Most of them sell for about $12.99 here in Canada. This one here was $5 more at $17.99 just because Hedwig was in it. So, you know, to have a few extra parts for an extra $5, really was it worth it? Yeah, I don't know. But the glasses of Harry is pretty cool. Once again, I bought these strictly because I am collecting the Harry Potter series of Lego. And, you know, it's pretty cool. I guess, you know, we'll put them in our display somewhere. Once again, no articulation in either of the Brickheadz, which thoroughly disappoints me. You know, you should be able to move the hands or the head left to right. Lego hasn't made any effort to make them articulated. Maybe that's because the Mega Blocks or Mega Constructs Kubros are articulated, and maybe they can't because they, you know, they may have a patent or something on that. I don't know. Well, personally, I like the Kubros a lot better. Anyway, you know my feelings on Brickheadz. I've stated it over and over and over again. And but like I say, you're wondering, well, why are you buying them then? Well, strictly because these are collectibles, and these are the only ones I'll buy, and there may be a Star Wars one coming out very soon that I'll be purchasing as well because I collect it. Strictly because I collect it, not because I like the Brickheadz. And if, you know, the thing is, if you don't like the Brickheadz, you can rip them apart and use them for parts because they have a lot of side-studded parts and inside and stuff, and they use different colors inside that are kind of unique and kind of rare actually, like the sand green and stuff, so just for the core of the build. So they're great for parts. Other than that, they're collectible, and that's about it. I don't know what more to say about that. In the meantime, if you'd like to comment, like, and subscribe down below, please do. Please feel free, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when the next video will be coming out, to keep you updated on future endeavors on this channel and the like. And don't forget, if you can dream it, you can build it.